Welcome to Hard Chrome Solutions, your partner for Farrel Gearbox repairs. Our focus is on getting you back up and running with the quickest and most efficient solutions, all under one roof. We can inspect and repair any size unit, checking all bearings, shafts, gears, and housings for any misalignment or damage that caused the failure. As the largest gearbox repair shop in the Northeast, we have gear cutting equipment on site capable of meeting AGMA 12 to 15 specifications for every gear on every gearbox, setting us apart from other shops that advertise their services on Google. Our partners have come back to us for our expertise, quick turnaround time, and sense of security in trusting us with their major gearbox repairs. Come see why people choose us and make the best investment in the industry. We offer a 36-month full parts and labor guarantee from the day of installation, with support available throughout Canada, Mexico, and worldwide through our partners for laser alignments, rigging, fluid systems, pumping, filters, lines, lube oil, heat exchangers, and much more. Feel free to tour our shops and meet our sales staff any time of the week to learn more about the services we offer. Trust us, like most OEMs do, as we understand how critical your valuable gearboxes are to keep your industry operational. Contact us now, as our shop is open 24/7, 365 days a year to help you with any size and brand of gearbox. Get in touch with us today at 732-895-3225 or visit our website at hardchromesolution.com.